Today, we have started the Palestine movement. And you are also a part of it. In this moment, you don't have to do any jihad, or you don't have to fight any war. The only thing you have to do is to supplicate for Palestinian Muslims. You just have to spare 10 minutes from your precious time and supplicate for Palestinian Muslims by observing optional prayer. Because Palestine is the land of prophets, and Mosque al-Aqsa is not just an ordinary mosque. If you don't have only 10 minutes for supplication, then you must ask yourself this question: do I have no time for the one who created time? The conqueror of Jerusalem said that, how can I smile as long as the Crusaded control the city of Jerusalem and Mosque al-Aqsa? How can I be content and eat in peace as I desire? How can I sleep peacefully at night? This is Palestine now. And I really hope that you would pray optional prayer and supplicate for Palestine. Raise your hands and bow your heads before Allah, so that you do not bow your head before Allah out of shame on the day of resurrection.